everyone, it's Earrings by Angela. Angela here. So, we are talking about vintage pieces in our ABCs of Jewelry Making series, okay? So, welcome for those who are new, and I will put this in the playlist so you can catch up on the majority of the videos that we were talking about in this series. So, oh my gosh, OMG, you guys. Am I the only one that absolutely fell in love with Downton Abbey? You know what? First and foremost, how many Downton Abbey fans do we have? Put it in the comments, raise their hand, say me or whatever. And I want to know who I'm dealing with. Because that means you have awesome taste. Yes. Yes. Yes, I said yes. But this show inspired me to get out of my comfort zone and create a few vintage pieces, you guys. Because you know what? I just loved the evolution of their fashion so much that I actually included the Downton Abbey challenge as part of the 3-day Jewelry Diva challenge because, oh my gosh, it's amazing. And when I presented this challenge to my students, because, you know, they were like, I don't know what to create. I can't keep creating the same stuff. Honey, this opened up a world for them. They loved it so much that they would send me videos of their thoughts on it, which I totally appreciated. But they loved creating and exploring that time period, right? So, you guys, what vintage, what inspires you to create vintage pieces? Or have you even started creating any vintage pieces? Let me know in the comments because I'm nosy and I want to know what's going on with my family, y'all. Serious. But I will also put that link to the 3-day Jewelry Diva. I should change it to Diva Dawn challenge because we have men too. But I should change it. But it's a free challenge, and I invite you to take it because it even comes with a little workbook so that you can write down your ideas and reflect on how you felt about creating, how that experience went for you. And then you have a record of, you know, your process during your creative journey. So I will add that link. I just want to, boom, give you that little idea because that's something we don't really think of. Um, and there are some other challenges that will be available later for my VIPs, which you'll learn more about that in the very near future. So I will keep you definitely posted on what I mean by VIPs because I have so much going on that I want to invite you to. Okay, so we'll talk about that later. And yeah, I will see you in the next video, you guys. Happy creating.